Hello, Russ here with Pro Steam, and today we're working on some non-slip vinyl. This is very common, this type of flooring. You'll find it in schools, hospitals, wet rooms, etc. It is very difficult to clean because it's designed to grip, and so any dirt or whatever will stick to it. And you've got to know how to release that dirt that has fused itself to the surface. So we've got, it's about 50 odd square meters today, and it's not in bad condition, it's just dirty. So what I thought I'd do is, before I start this job, I thought I would just take a little bit of video to show you how it looks now. We're going to start here, and there's kind of tar or something on the floor as well as the dirt. So we're going to use specific products to remove whatever that is, black spots, and then we're going to remove all the dirt and everything. We're going to do one area at a time. So what we'll do is we'll come back to this once we've cleaned it, and then you'll be able to see, hopefully see a difference. Right, so I've cleaned a portion of this floor, and I just wanted to share with you how it's looking compared to how it looked before. So, you know, that's how the floor kind of looked before. And as we walk this way, I'm going to move forward, and so there you go. So all the dirt has been removed from that portion of the floor, and you can see quite a difference between how it looks now and how it looked before. Now with this type of floor, it does tend to turn kind of a yellow colour in the worn areas, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about that. It's just the way it goes. It's stained, in other words, so there's nothing you can do about that apart from rip it up and replace it. But anyway, we can't make old floors look brand new, but what we can do is improve how they look, so the client can move all their equipment and other bits and pieces in. Okay, so let's carry on with the rest of it, and we'll come back to it when it's done. Right, we come to the end of this job now, and we've removed all the dirt and the grease from this floor. Like I said earlier in the video, we can't remove the wear, and unfortunately with anti-slip flooring like this stuff here, it will yellow. You can see where there's a unit has been there, and you can see kind of where the cleaners have been cleaning around it. Obviously it hasn't had any footfall in that area, so the flooring looks brand new. So over a course of time, certain cleaning products that contain bleach can actually damage this kind of floor. And I think that's kind of what's happened here. It's a mixture of cleaning products and obviously wear and tear. Glues, unfortunately, cannot be removed. Again, a glue will stain the floor, and the previous tenant has had stuff on the floor here, and as you can see there, that's never ever going to come off. Okay, they've plugged these areas here with some kind of filler because something's been attached to the floor. Okay. So anyway, there you go. At the end of the day, it's a clean floor. It doesn't look brand new, but we always tell our clients right at the beginning what to expect. So anyway, there we have it, and I'm sure the client will be very happy with the improvement that we've managed to achieve, and right up to the corridor there. Clean. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching.